This is Bukya Krishna, roll number 20951A2130, subject chemistry, aeronautical engineering, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Dundigal. So today I want to discuss about the specifications of potable water. Potable water. Potable water is defined as water that is suitable for human consumption, that is, water that can be used for drinking or cooking. The term implies that the water is drinkable as well as safe. Drinkable water means it is free of unpleasant odors, tastes, and colors, and is within reasonable limits of temperature. Dugan 1972. Safe water means it contains no toxins, carcinogens, pathogens, microorganisms, or other health hazards. The cleanest source of source water, surface water, and groundwater must be preserved for potable water supply purposes. Potable water must meet numerous physical, chemical, microbiological, and radionuclide standards for both the untreated water sources and the treated water. Drinking water standards in the USA are developed by the US Environmental Protecting Agency (EPA) as directed by the Safe Water Drinking Act of EPA has been required to set standards which are called maximum contamination. Specifications: color hazard units, odor unobjectionable, taste agreeable, turbidity NTU, pH value 6.5 to 8.5, no relaxation, total hardness as CaCO3 mg by L 300 to 600, iron mg by L 0.3 to 1.0, chlorides mg by L 250 to 1000. Drinking water, also known as potable water, is water that is safe to drink or use for food preparation. The amount of drinking water required to maintain good health varies and depends on physical activity level, age, health related issues, and environmental conditions. For those who work in a hot climate, up to 16 liters 4.2 US gal a day may be required. Tap water is drinking water supplied through indoor plumbing for home use in many countries. Typically, in developed countries, tap water meets drinking water quality standards, even though only a small proportion is actually consumed or used in food preparation. Other typical uses include washing, toilets, and irrigation. Grey water may also be used for toilets or irrigation. Its use for irrigation, however, may be associated with risks. Water may also be unacceptable due to levels of toxins or suspended solids. Globally, by 2015, 89% of people had access to water from a source that is suitable for drinking, called improved water source. In such Saharan in sub-Saharan Africa, access to potable water ranged from 40% to 80% of the population. Nearly 4.2 billion people worldwide had access to tap water, while another 2.4 billion had access to wells or public taps. The World Health Organization considers access to safe drinking water a basic human right. About 1 to 2 billion people lack safe drinking water. More people die from unsafe water than from war, than UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon said in 2010. Surface sources of potable water. Water covers approximately 70% of Earth's surface, where approximately 97.2% of it is saline, only 2.8% fresh. Potable water is available in almost all populated areas of the earth, although it may be expensive and the supply may not always be sustainable. Sources where water may be obtained include ground sources such as groundwater, springs, hyporic zones, and aquifers. Precipitation, while includes rain, hail, snow, fog, etc. Source surface water such as rivers, streams, glaciers. Biological sources such as plants, desalinated seawater, water supply networks, atmospheric water generator, Threats for the availability of water resources include water scarcity, water pollution, water conflict, and climate change. Thank you.